My name is Alfonso, and this is the third chapter in the series of videos making your own blog with AI. In the previous episode, we created a simple minimalist blog as well as the website to check out blog post preview. But there's a problem with what we created. The text of the blog is actually hard-coded. It's not dynamic. If I want to add a new blog, I cannot do it anywhere. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to create a separate website where I can actually type in different posts and they appear here. To do this, we're going to go back to Baltown. Remember from last time, create a fork. I've already done so here. And click on Edit with Towny to start creating it. And so the first thing I'm going to say is I'm going to tell Towny that I want to add retrieve the blogs from a database. And then I'll say, once you're finished, please let me know the database schema that you used. Okay, so what this is going to do is it's going to retrieve the blog post from a database, but it's not yet going to create a blog editor. Okay, I will do that separately. What you can see here, what it's doing is it's importing SQLite module. What is this? This is the name of a database. Creating a database schema and initializing it. This is creating what are the name of the fields that are going to include the blog post title, the image, etc. And then it's just changing how the server works. Hopefully, if things worked, what we're going to see is a blog that looks exactly the same. Okay. The only thing I can see here is it inverted the order. We can fix that later. But yeah, seems to be working. But now if we are to trust Towny, this is being retrieved from the database. Okay, and this is very important. It says, this is the database schema. It says, I've created a single table called key post schema version with the following structure, blah, blah, blah. Say so this is important because when we create the website to add the posts, I'm just gonna copy paste this text and say, hey, this is how you stored the blogs in another database, so that it knows to have the blog writer website added to the same database that's being read here. Now what we're going to do is going to create a new file, Towny. So here I'm just explaining, this is how you told me you stored it in the other one. And one important thing here, it says the name of the table is $key posts schema version. Oh, and it says the key is just going to be my blog app. So in this case, it's going to be the Past Copper Cattle. Past Copper Cattle. And then it says the schema version was hard-coded to 1, so I'll just put this. Okay. So with this, say UI that allows me to get it all, create a post with all the fields in the schema. Cool. So if this worked out, what we're creating here is a separate website where I can actually write posts and they will appear in the other blog. Okay, so let's see if this worked. This is a test blog. This is a snippet of my test blog post. Click submit. And there you go. Here you can see my test blog post and another one I created earlier. For some reason the image is taking some time to load, but I think that's something on the image server I'm going to debug later. So with this we have fully working blog and even a blog editor. But there's a problem. Anyone can write posts inside my blog. In the next tutorial, I'm going to add password protection so that we can protect it so only me, the author of the blog, can write in it.